Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about the basic stitches that you would need to succeed in making garment. Basic straight stitches, and whatever questions you have, drop it in the comment below, and for those who have asked questions, you've gotten your responses. And so let's dive into the video.
Hi guys, this is Sam from Streetwise. Welcome. If what you're looking for is a place where you can learn how to take your tailoring from this to incredible, then you are at the right place. All you have to do is just subscribe and press the notification bell so that you can get all my videos once they drop. Let's get down to today's video.
Stitch that you have to know about that will help you succeed is the basic straight stitch, and this is actually basic. This is what you use in joining two parts of your garments together to get two parts of pieces of your garment that make up your garment together. And if you don't know how to do this very well, it's going to affect the measurement of your garment. It's going to affect the total output of your garment. So I have two pieces of fabric here that I'm going to join together. You remember that in one of my videos, in one of the lessons, it's going to be up here. I talked about, I was using another sewing machine then. Sorry, this is my brother's sewing machine. It's a very old sewing machine, but this is my best sewing machine here. This is what I use. And I talked about the throat plate and how there are gauges on the throat plate. The other machine I used this doesn't have. And I also said that you can replace this. I'm just not replacing it. We are going to use the improvising method using this. I didn't have this last time, but I have it now. So I'm going to show you how you can use this to gauge how you're going to make your garment. So I'm going to join this together, switch on the sewing machine. So let's say you have your garment chest 40, meaning if what you want to add as allowance that is going to help you do the straight stitch to join them together is ½ inch on each side, then the total measurement for the front only will be 21. Since your chest is 40 and half is 20, then you add ½ inch on both sides, that's 21. So when the front side and the back side is on fold like this, what you have to remove from here is ½ inch. So how do you know ½ inch? So the first method I talked about the other time in that video was using the tape rule. So you put your tape rule, so it's ½ inch, then you just sew down. This is a faster machine, ½ inch. ½ inch. So you can just do ½ inch also. So you would notice that something happened while making it. So you realize that there was a shift. So what you should do is, for you to be able to do this accurately, you should use pins to hold. You should use pins to hold your fabrics together. So while you are sewing, you don't get distracted between trying to hold your fabric together and trying to make a straight stitch. Something else you should notice is that sometimes, even if the fabric has the same length when you're starting, by the time you finish, one becomes longer than the other because of how you were pulling it while you were sewing. So what you should do is, while you are starting, you should just gauge it that it is on the edge before you put it, and always check it while you're sewing now. Or you just use the pin, and you can create notches like this. You can just create notches like this on several parts. So once the two notches are aligned, then you are sure that they are straight. So let's say what you need to take off is 1 inch. So 1 inch will be the point where there is 12. So you can just take your paper tape and you should just apply like so. So let's measure it again. Okay, so what should we do? So let's check. So it's there now. So you just put it, you use your pin, and you just sew. You do that, remembering that you should always look at the gauge and not the needle. So you see how straight it is, and it's going to measure 1 inch. So let me show you how this applies on the garment. So if you look at this, so this is what the basic straight stitch does. So you can use it to just join. Can use it to join. Can use it to join the shoulder of the garment. You can use it to join everything.
Wait, if you're enjoying the video, please like it now. Please, it helps the channel and it encourages us to keep doing what we're doing. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell too. Bye.